All around the world, cleaning professionals are turning to Tennant Company's H2O Technologies group and its revolutionary H2O Technology, or EC Water, to clean effectively, save money, improve safety, and reduce environmental impact. Available on Tennant floor scrubbers, this innovative cleaning technology requires no cleaning agent other than water to deliver effective cleaning results. EC Water simplifies the cleaning process, improves productivity, and helps to reduce purchase, storage, mixing, and the training tasks and costs associated with the use of detergents. Real-world testing by customers and third parties has shown that scrubbing with EC Water technology effectively removes soil, and EC Water leaves no chemical residue, helping to improve floor traction and appearance. The technology works by harnessing the energy stored in the water molecule H2O through electrolysis. In the first step, H2O molecules pass through electrified screens to create an energetic solution infused with highly oxygenated microbubbles. The water cell then passes a powerful electric charge through the restructured water to create a steady stream of blended, highly charged acidic and alkaline water. Because dirt and soil particles are naturally charged, the charged water is an effective cleaning solution for many types of soils and a variety of cleaning applications. When the EC Water solution contacts the dirt, it begins attacking, breaking the dirt into small particles and pulling it off the porous surface and suspending particles in the converted water. Approximately 45 seconds after it's created, the cleaning solution generated by the EC Water technology module restabilizes and reforms naturally into plain H2O. This results in a recovery tank filled with just plain water, and of course, the dirt removed from the floor, resulting in easy disposal. Tennant Company and EC Water cleaning technology are helping create a cleaner, safer, healthier world.